Up first this evening, on Thursday, sections of the island were rocked by a 4.2 magnitude earthquake that was felt mostly in St. Anne and St. Catherine. We are now learning that the earthquake damaged structures along the Hellshire shoreline in Portmore, St. Catherine. Now, the epicenter of the earthquake was on the border of St. Catherine and St. Anne near Guy's Hill. There were no reports of injuries, but some businesses on the popular beach were damaged. TVJ's Prince Moore reports.
The earthquake unit, in a preliminary report, said the quake was felt in several parishes and no damage was reported at that time. However, since then, we have received reports of damage to buildings at the Hellshire Beach in St. Catherine, more than 100 kilometers away. Thursday's quake left cracks, piles of rubble, and holes in the ground when the shaking stopped. Sarita Earl operates one of the affected restaurants along the shore in Hellshire. She was inside the restaurant when the quake occurred.
I was in the kitchen and I hear a rolling sound from out the sea. And when we look, we can feel the vibration on the ground. But it took, I think they did have one before that broke the building in two.
She added that the damage to the building was not only from the shaking, but that the closeness of the ocean to the restaurant acted as a catalyst for some of the damage, especially on the floor.
The earthquake bust the building in two, and then the breeze and the heavy waves of the water go underneath and it starts to break other parts of the building.
The area at the back of the restaurant used to be a bar with shelves stacked with liquor and waves crashing against the structure outside. But after Thursday's natural disaster,
yes, all the shelf was upon liquor and juice and stuff. And when the earthquake occurred, all the shelves tear down and all the liquors fall to the ground and break.
Business owners in Hellshire Beach are no strangers to climate change and natural disasters affecting their livelihood. The receding shoreline brought on by climate change is also threatening businesses at the attraction. And recently, the sargassum seaweed that covers sections of the beach is also spoiling the experience of patrons. But last week's earthquake really shook the restaurant owners like Sarita. She says she has suffered thousands of dollars in losses and rebuilding will be another cost altogether.
But we try to start to dump up stones because we don't want nobody to fall in the hole. So we are trying to renovate back the building for business.
We tried to get comments from other business owners who were affected, but they refused to speak with us. Hellshire Beach is still being watched by climate specialists for the receding shorelines as sea level rises, but businesses continue to operate despite the challenges. Prince Moore, TVJ News.